I don't know. I don't know if you got it, Thomas.
These are for you.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, thanks.
Oh, dang.
This one's large.
This ain't mine. Whoa. Where's the Thomas at?
I don't know.
You didn't get a Thomas. You don't always get what you want for Christmas.
Hey, Play-Doh. Is this Play-Doh?
Nope, it's bath paint. Remember you kept asking me for bath paint?
Thomas cost too much money.
There's a name.
We couldn't have Santa Dino get you a Thomas the Train.
Here, honey.
Yay, it's a Thomas.
How do you know it's a Thomas? The box of rocks. That's that box of rocks Daddy found for you.
Hey,
This is gray for gray.
Oh, it is a Thomas.
it is a bird control Thomas.
It goes to your kitchen so you can cook food.
Hey, food. This thing's following me.
Oh, cute, Mom. That's adorable.
Whoa. SpongeBob
You know what?
coloring book.
I got you guys some new colors and I totally forgot them and I just forgot to wrap them, but we have them. So, when you guys want to color, you
I
have
have
the
a
colors.
box downstairs, but I thought they had
Are
so
you
many.
supposed to put berries in here?
Yep, I think so.
Okay. Ah.
Gracie, let Daddy see your presents.
For her.
Let Daddy see.
That's
Oh boy,
New coloring book.
coloring books.
Watch this. Hey, how you press the button?
You don't, you pull his legs up.
Not off, up.
Do you know how to use the button?
Which one did I get for him?
Do you know how
Um,
to use the button?
Hers was the bunny, his was the airplane, and his,
It's the Thomas.
you put money down without even knowing it on the Thomas. Because he really, really, really wanted the Thomas.
He got me oatmeal.
No, I didn't. You have to open the box.
Hey, I don't need a coloring book.
Keep you regular, Ma.
All I have is 4 plays.
Shut up. Oh, that's funny. It's not even opened.
You have to look on the other side where the box was originally opened at.
Oh, that's nice. I thought it was oatmeal. I'll laugh till next year.
Elijah, look.
Hey, where's the...
Thank you for the cup. I'll drink my coffee out of
Hey,
it.
where's the food?
I think Grace already opened it.
This
I
is
don't know.
mine.